Hello, wonderful friends. It's lovely to be with you today. Now, for years, you've probably heard about ginger, haven't you? It's been hailed as a natural wonder, an anti-inflammatory superfood that can help soothe aches and pains. And I imagine many of you, like I did, have faithfully brewed ginger teas, added it to your morning smoothies, or even sprinkled it on your meals, all hoping to ease those nagging aches and stiffness that often come with the wisdom of age. You've been told it's good for you, and you've trusted that advice. But what if I told you something today that might just shock you a little? What if I revealed that despite all your good intentions, ginger, by itself, might actually be doing very little to truly tackle the inflammation deep within your body? I know that sounds quite surprising, especially coming from someone who has dedicated years to understanding natural ways to support our health, particularly as we get older. You might be thinking, but I've heard so much about it, and you're right to feel that way. For a long time, I believed it too. However, after spending countless hours sifting through numerous research studies, and more importantly, after working closely with thousands of individuals, many of them just like you, navigating the challenges of chronic inflammation, I made a profound discovery. A discovery about ginger that, for me, changed everything. The truth isn't that ginger is useless. Oh no, far from it. Ginger is indeed a remarkable plant. The real issue, my dear friends, is how we've been using it. For many of us, the way we've incorporated ginger into our routines simply isn't unlocking its full potential. It's like having a powerful, finely tuned engine but only ever putting it in neutral. And today, I'm absolutely thrilled to share with you the exact combination that transforms ginger from a mild helper into an absolute powerhouse against inflammation. This isn't just some theory I've cooked up. It's firmly backed by science, and I've seen firsthand in my patients how this simple yet profound combination can reduce inflammatory markers, those little signals in our body that tell us inflammation is present, by more than 50% in as little as 2 weeks. Imagine that. Significantly less pain, more flexibility, and a renewed sense of well-being, all thanks to a small adjustment in how you use something you already know and love. So, in our time together today, I'm going to reveal precisely how to harness this incredible trio. This isn't just about feeling a bit better. It's about giving your body the tools to truly become an inflammation-fighting machine, allowing you to enjoy your golden years with more comfort and vitality, because you deserve to feel your best every single day. Now, let's understand a little more about why this combination is so powerful. Ginger, on its own, is truly amazing. It contains compounds that effectively block certain inflammatory enzymes in your body, like COX-2 and LOX. These enzymes are key players in triggering pain, swelling, bloating, and that uncomfortable inflammation in your gut. So, when ginger steps in, it's like a quick-acting fire extinguisher, calming down those immediate inflammatory flare-ups inside your cells. It's excellent at that initial cellular response. But here's the crucial part, and it's the catch. Most people don't realize ginger alone cannot work on all the different pathways of inflammation. Think of inflammation not as a single fire, but as a complex network of interconnected fires throughout your body. Ginger is brilliant at tackling some, but others remain untouched. Most of the discomfort and health issues people experience, especially as we age, stem from what we call chronic inflammation. This isn't just a fleeting ache, it's a persistent, low-grade fire that can silently wreak havoc over time. This chronic inflammation starts its attack on the outer membranes of your cells, almost like an initial breach in your body's defenses. And if it's not properly addressed there, it can then seep inside your cells, even reaching your DNA, potentially causing damage. While ginger does a great job when inflammation is inside your cells, it unfortunately doesn't do much to fight that initial attack at the cellular membranes. This is a vital distinction, and it's where most traditional uses of ginger fall short. To truly enhance ginger's work and ensure it becomes a comprehensive anti-inflammatory solution for your body, we need to introduce certain compounds. These compounds not only help ginger get absorbed better from your gut, making it more bioavailable, but they also target those inflammatory pathways that ginger misses, especially at the crucial cell membrane level. This brings us to the secret combination that truly activates ginger's hidden power. This is where the magic truly happens, and it's surprisingly simple. To effectively combat inflammation at all levels, from the initial cellular membrane attack to the deepest parts of your cells, we need to introduce two key partners to ginger. The first essential component is flaxseed oil. Remember how I mentioned ginger struggles with inflammation at the cellular membranes? Well, this is precisely where flaxseed oil excels. It's incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially one called alpha-linolenic acid. Numerous research studies have beautifully demonstrated that ALA can significantly reduce important inflammatory markers in your body, such as CRP, IL-6, and TNF-alpha. These are like the smoke detectors of inflammation. When they go down, it's a clear sign your body is calming down. So, while ginger is putting out the fires inside your cells, flaxseed oil is busy rebuilding and strengthening your cell membranes, making them more resilient to future inflammatory attacks. Think of it this way: ginger is your rapid response team, and flaxseed oil is your long-term repair crew, ensuring your house doesn't keep catching fire. Now, we add one more crucial ingredient to this powerful duo: piperine from black pepper. You might be wondering, why black pepper? The answer is twofold and incredibly smart. Firstly, piperine significantly enhances the absorption of ginger from your gut. This means more of ginger's beneficial compounds actually make it into your bloodstream, where they can get to work. Without it, a good portion of the ginger you consume might just pass through your system without being fully utilized. Secondly, piperine also enhances the work of flaxseed oil on your cell membranes, boosting its anti-inflammatory effects even further. It's like the perfect catalyst, making both ginger and flaxseed oil more effective and bioavailable. So, when you combine ginger with flaxseed oil and a pinch of black pepper, you're not just adding ingredients. You're creating a powerful synergy. Each component enhances the others, leading to benefits that are far greater than the sum of their parts. We're talking about potentially 20 times the benefits compared to using ginger alone. Once you start incorporating this exact combination into your routine, you're likely to notice some amazing changes. Many of my patients report less joint pain, significantly improved digestion, a noticeable boost in energy, less bloating, and even a feeling that their brain is working more clearly and sharply. Imagine waking up with less stiffness, enjoying your meals without discomfort, and feeling more alert throughout the day. This isn't just about reducing pain, it's about reclaiming your vitality. Now that you understand why this combination is so powerful, let's get to the most important part: how to use it. I call this my secret inflammation killer drink, and it's incredibly simple to prepare. Here's exactly what you'll need for one serving: 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger juice. You can easily make this by grating fresh ginger and squeezing out the juice, or by using a small juicer.1 teaspoon of flaxseed oil. Make sure it's high quality. You can find this in the refrigerated section of most health food stores or larger supermarkets. 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. This adds a nice flavor and extra antioxidants. A tiny pinch of black pepper. Remember, it's that piperine in the pepper that helps everything absorb better. 1 glass of warm water, not boiling, just comfortably warm. How to prepare your drink: take your glass of warm water, add your ginger juice, flaxseed oil, lemon juice, and the pinch of black pepper. You'll want to stir it really well to get everything mixed. Even better, if you have a shaker bottle, just pop all the ingredients in and give it a good shake. This ensures the oil and water emulsify nicely. When to enjoy this drink, you just need to use this once a day. I recommend taking it on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning when your body is naturally ready to process and absorb nutrients, or in the afternoon, perhaps between lunch and dinner. This timing allows your body to best absorb the powerful compounds and lets them get to work fighting inflammation and supporting your body's natural functions. So, if you've been relying on ginger alone to ease your inflammation, which is good, you now have the complete picture. You're creating a true game changer for managing inflammation levels in your body. This simple recipe has the potential to bring you significant relief and improved well-being. To further support your journey towards reduced inflammation, you might also consider a specialized supplement. I've developed a blend of anti-inflammatory herbs called Inflam, which works wonderfully alongside this drink. It's designed to provide even broader support for your body's inflammatory response. If you're interested in exploring this option, you can find more information on our website. The link will be in the description below this video. It's available worldwide. I truly encourage you to give this recipe a try. Incorporate it into your daily routine for just 1 week, and then come back and share your experiences in the comment section below. What improvements do you notice in your joint comfort, energy levels, or digestion? I'm eager to hear your stories. I hope this information empowers you and brings you closer to a life with less pain and more vitality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more natural health insights, and share this valuable information with anyone else who could benefit. Until next time, take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.